students, a warm welcome to all my dear students to today's section. Now, in this section, we are going to study physics. This subject is not familiar to you, but don't get worried. It is one of the branch of science. Let's begin our chapter. Measurements and units. This chapter is so important as it deals the importance of writing units in measurements. Before entering into our class, let us look some example in our daily life to measure various things. You must see when you go to a tailor, he uses an inch tape to measure the cloth. Similarly, you may see your mother will use a measuring cup to measure the quantity of milk or water. Also, with a vegetable render to measure the vegetables, a weighing scale is used. This all situation gives you an idea that units are essential in measurements. Our first topic is length. There is an activity in your textbook to measure the length of table using different pencils. And you understand that the measurements are different because they use different sizes of pencil. Another activity is to find the length of stapler. For that, we are used cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The stapler is about 9 cubes long. Repeat this activity using paper clip. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The stapler is about 5 paper clips long. It is sure that you are confused about the actual length. This is same as we take length of a table using pencil. If results of all will be same if we use same length to measure or same scale to measure. In our olden days, we used different scales for measuring length. Let us go through it. The different scales for measuring length are foot, mile, muram, yard, furlong, angulum. These are the different scales for measuring length. That is in your textbook. If we use different scales, there arose some problems for communication. Accuracy cannot be ensured, difficulty in buying and selling. The question is in your textbook. To avoid this problem, a standard scale is used worldwide. This standard scale is the unit of length. The unit of length is meter. It is denoted by m. It is very important. The basic unit of length is meter and it is denoted by m. I think you all understand these things. So, let us conclude our class. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Today, we have discussed about different scales used for measuring length, difficulties when different scales are used, and the standard unit for length. Now, it's your turn. You have to identify the correct one, the unit of length. Another question, Measure the length of a pencil using 1 meter scale. You have to explain how you measure it. Thank you.